welcome to another YouTube video. And today's video, we're gonna be talking to people on The Hood. The Hood is a very popular game. It's so cool, and there's a lot of little kids on here who fight because they can't fight in real life.
Today we got a PC Backlight with sync box, so we're gonna take a look at it. Now when they say sync box, it's because it retrieves any audio and it kind of syncs with the actual lighting too. So we're gonna take a look at it, and if you're gonna be streaming or gaming, this might be the thing for you. So let's take a look at it and see what you get. But before we do, I just want to let you guys know that the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, if you get it like this, it's because it's fresh out of the actual box and it hasn't been opened, you guys. It's nice and sealed completely. They give you the actual instructions where to start and how to set it up. All right, so just make sure you have the instructions where to start so you can line up and get the actual cable at the end. All right, so wherever you're going to plug in your monitor from, just make sure that you look at the instructions where you want to start. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. Now they give you the actual remote control instructions, how to sync the whole thing up, the ribbon, and different ways of actually setting up the TVs or the monitor. All right, you get the 3 connections. All right, the double-sided tape, 3 for the back of the monitor. You get the actual controller to turn off audio, play the audio, multiple play, the monitor and left and right. And then you get the actual connection, which is a type C connection to type A connection, right? We'll turn audio on, test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. So when you're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're playing games, you need to install an application so it could sync up. Right now, if you guys can see it, I'm actually changing, and I'm going to change the colors and to different colors. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So changing the colors, very simple, by clicking on it.
It's crazy because these people really think they're funny, but they're not. And they're just like, OMG, get her, fight her, shoot her, miss every single shot. That's basically the game.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.